guys! Okay, so now this video gonna be the fastest ever tutorial video, I promise. So as you see from the title already, whatever it is, we're gonna be creating a false freckles, like fox freckles. And I basically came up with this beauty hack on my viral TikTok beauty hacks video. The link is here, you guys can check it out. So I tried it for a very first time as I was checking out different makeup hacks, and yeah, I've been loving it ever since. I was like, oh my god, why I never thought of this or tried this before, because this is the easiest, literally, way of fox freckles, you know, faking it. Yeah, so there's more hacks in that video. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll link it in the description box below as well for you. So you'll need three things. Okay, so first thing is a setting spray. I'm just using the NYX matte finish setting spray. You can use any setting spray whatsoever. Then any bronzer you wish, the normal bronzer that you use. Today I use the Contour and Glow palette by Revolution. A brush. That's all. Three things. That's all you need. So what you're gonna do first, you're gonna spray setting spray in like a little container. I'm just gonna use a little of it. But this is more than enough. Then what you're gonna scrub a bit of the bronzer into this liquid. That's all. It's like the easiest hack ever, you guys. So I'm just using the tweezers for that. Gonna take a brush, swirl around, then swirl over your face, so it's gonna set your makeup and you're gonna have a false freckles. To my nose. So it went a bit too much in here, like not the way I wanna. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking the beauty blender, tap it on. Ta-da! Isn't this the easiest way ever? And if you want more, you spray more. And you know what's great about this trick? You can do as little as much as you wish and it looks super natural. It's not like super intense, it's all over, and it's a setting spray. It means you're gonna set your makeup at the same time. Literally, hands down, my favorite trick that I learned from TikTok and I actually been using. So what do you guys think? Yay or nay, because I'm literally obsessed now as after seeing this. Honestly, check that video out. I literally put the most famous TikTok makeup hacks in one video. Some were good, some were not so good. Don't want to spoil it for you, check it out. Yeah, leave a comment down below, let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more videos like this maybe? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye! Have an amazing day, guys!